Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
You're all smiling today. Is it? I think I know why. Anyway, people have tried to belittle us, but they have failed. We are strong. The weather can shake the foundations of the strongest buildings, the strongest foundations, but it cannot touch the foundation of our hearts. After living this short while, I feel that there is no need for any other type of faith, but the faith and kindness in human beings. I'm so absorbed in earth and the life in it that I have no need and no time for heaven or angels. Managing Director Sir, Mr. Mohan Lal Guerrero, Coordinating Principal Mrs. Kumari Guerrero, the members of the the management, the teachers, and of course, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, thank you. Well, as a student of this school and past student of this school, the first student of this school, I have been waiting for this day for over a decade so that I could come on Founders Day one day and show my gratitude towards the school and towards my father. And okay, thank you. And in this time, it has come to my realization that greatness is not something that can be worked for. It's something that just happens. I would like to tell you today the story of Lyceum International School, how it came into being, and the story of Mr. Mohan Lal Guerrero. So, stop clapping. So 55 years ago, a boy was born in a small house in Kirlapana. This house had just one room in it. This was the bedroom, this was the dining room, and this was the kitchen. And they hardly had luxurious food to eat. Most nights, the dinner was fulfilled by having a cup of plain tea, and rice and vegetables were for lunch. This is a true story, my dear students. I'm not making this up. You all should know this. He started off from nothing. And first, he went off to Royal College for his primary education, and in grade 5, he was committed to studies. And in grade 5, he was selected to the top 8 in the country that were going to Ananda College, which was the best school in the country at that time. To say now we are. And eventually, he did his O-levels at Ananda College and went into A-levels. While doing his A-levels, just as a pastime, he started teaching science for the students in the O-level class, just free of charge. Working hard during his A-level time, he completed his A-levels and came third in the island. He became third in the island, my dear students. Eventually, he loved the art of teaching. He loved it, and he went on to become a famous physics teacher. And eventually, he met my mother and they got married. And a few years passed and I came into life. So, okay. And it was time for me to go into school. Now we were living in Mount Lavinia back then, in the good old days. My father tried to enroll me into St. Thomas's College, and my application was rejected. He tried to put me, that's nothing to clap. He tried to put me into several other schools, but there was no result. So I was left without a school to go to. And what did he do? Huh?
Lyceum.
Okay. Do you know the dancing room, the Canadian dancing room in the front? So he had this land in Nugegoda. And he built 2 classrooms and a school to put his child in. I still remember there were only 7 of us, 1 Chinese kid and 6 Sri Lankans, 2 teachers. We started off that small. And soon, very soon, those 2 classrooms filled up. And my father decided to build the building which is right behind me. This is the first building of Lyceum. I still remember I was small, I was into building and all that. So, I still remember we built this building 1 floor per year. It took 4 years to put the 4 stories building. Now we would build a building like that in 1 year. We started off that slow and look at it now. Starting from absolutely nowhere. Dear students, realize why Lyceum is there now. I think it makes sense. It's a school. Is it like the other international schools? No. It's not fun, no? It is a school for the middle class family, for the lower middle class family. We have all types of students here. We have over 500 students that are learning free of charge. This is a school for those without one. That doesn't mean that you are indifferent. We are the best in the country, there is no doubt. And my brothers and sisters, you too are the best that are there. Because you made this school. My dear Father, you have proved to me not that there is any requirement to prove anything, to be more a man of value, than a man of success. My dear students, Mr. Guerrero started from nothing, absolutely nothing. And I'm sure that all of you are at a better position than he was when he was your age. If you all work honestly, with a pure heart, with kindness, with a set of genuine values and beliefs, you all can make it much further than him. Remember my dear students, by coming to Lyceum, we learn to be of service to others, not to ourselves. It's not about us. It is about them. That is what I have learned. My dear father, I have grown much taller than you. But you're certainly a man that I look up to. After living this time, more than thanking you for educating me and for giving me all that I need, everything that I need, I would like to thank you for teaching me how to live. Mr. Gray, if you could please come up on stage. And last but not least, Uddikaro Alingitva Chumbitwapya Uttakam Rajamajjam Supatiddam Pitupadam Namamaha. Thank you, one and all.